It's Amazon Prime Day. How many people have already gone shopping? If you have shopped either yesterday or you jumped online today and tried to find an amazing deal, leave a comment. Tell me what you've gotten. You can leave a link and share some of the deals with the rest of us that are here. But the one thing I love about Amazon Prime Day is obviously it's like Black Friday, but in the summer. But what's kind of a bummer is that it ends. Now, I'm here to tell you one secret of how you can get Amazon deals that are just as good as Amazon Prime Day deals with one app that you can get it on your cell phone. And it's called Vipon, V-I-P-O-N. I do have a link above the video. You can just click on it there and you can grab it on your phone. Or if you're watching this Facebook Live on your phone, you can just click the link. It takes you right to where you need to go so you can download it. And if you go on Vipon, which I wonder what Vipon stands for, because it's not like coupon. I don't know how some of these apps get names. I always wonder because sometimes I think they're just weird. Anyway, so if you go on there, it's like pages and pages and pages of Amazon promo codes. And it's kind of like shopping Amazon clearance whenever you want. So a lot of the products that are on there, though, there's usually limited quantities. And they are not for sale forever. Like you see them once because I know that I'm going to show you a bunch of stuff that I've gotten off of there and the price points. But like the pair of PJs that I ordered that I love, and they're super comfortable, and I wanted to go back and get a second pair, they're already sold out. I couldn't get them again. So, but I am going to just show you this little trick because I stink and love it. It's actually a little scary because sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night and I can't fall asleep instead of just reading. Sometimes I push on that app, and sometimes I buy clothes in the middle of the night when I shouldn't, but when they're $5 and I know it's in my budget, I do. So I'm just giving you a little bit of caution before you get this app because it will be tempting to jump on there and get everything in the world that's an amazing price. I just want to let you know that you can totally get Amazon Prime Day type deals all year long using this app. So let me show you. Okay, so first of all, this outfit that I have on, I'm going to have to, okay, so you can't totally see the whole thing. So I'm just going to show you here. I'm just going to say I've got my box of Amazon goodies. And see, I've got like these capri leggings. The leggings I got on Vipon for $5. And they're so super amazingly comfortable that I went on and bought a second pair. Then this cute little tunic top that's actually, the material of it is like bathing suit material. So it's like quick dry. And let me just tell you, I feel like I'm in the most comfortable outfit in the world right now. And the shirt was $7 something, $7.49. I don't know what it was with tax, but I know it was in the $7 range. The original prices, I don't remember for all of these items, but I know the shirt, I think, was listed for $22, and I got it for $7. So, oh, silly me. I left my cell phone on during the live video. I knew it was going to ring, too. Because my mother likes to call me. I love my mom, but she doesn't text me. And so then I get stuck with phone calls when I should have silenced my phone in the middle of Facebook Live. Anyway, so this shirt, $7. The capri pants, $5. This maxi dress, which, again, you can't see total full length. But if you look at the up-close pattern, it's super cute. This material is also like bathing suit material. And you know what's amazing about this is that it never, ever wrinkles, ever. And like you could so easily just bunch this up and stick it in a suitcase and you have a cute little dress if you're traveling anywhere this summer and you don't have to worry about ironing it. Guess how much this cost? $10. And I wore this to church a couple weeks ago. I wore it to a band concert because my daughter plays the flute and I also used to play the flute when I was in high school. And so they had a community band concert where the kids could invite people to play, like parents or friends. And so I played it in the band with my daughter, and I totally wore this dress. And every time I have worn it so far, I've gotten numerous compliments saying, "Oh my goodness, you look so cute. I love that dress." And then $5, Vipon, go shop. And totally love this dress. So $10 deal there. I saw some water shoes on Vipon. Guess how much these cost? $5. And like, they're not super amazing, I don't know, high quality amazingness, but they're like, there's a good rubber sole on them. This is, again, bathing suit material. We're going to Colorado for our family vacation in August, and we're going to be going into some hot springs, and I'm so excited. I don't even want to go there, that I can't wait till we go. But I had water shoes that lasted me a long time, but I think over 10 years. Last year they finally broke. And so then I was like, okay, totally need some water shoes for our trip. For $5, I'll take them. Okay, here's the PJs that I was talking about earlier. This is just a super comfy shirt. Now, the other thing too is that if you are a mom and have been pregnant before, if you put this on, you might think, oh, this is like a maternity shirt. But you know what? Even though I'm done having kids, the truth is maternity clothes are still awesomely comfortable. I do not think this was actually a maternity pajama set, but all I know is that these are super comfy shorts. The t-shirt has tons of room. It kind of poofs out here. That's what kind of reminds me of a maternity shirt. Like, I'm like, uh-oh, I don't want anyone to think I'm pregnant, but most people don't see me in my PJs outside of my family. So I'm more concerned about comfort. And that whole set was $8 something. So I know that I think it was $801 with tax. I do have the prices right now, and I should double check. Oh, the PJs were only $765. So $765 for the PJs. Then I went on recently, I haven't even taken the tags off this one yet, but this is another super cute tunic shirt that's very similar to the one I have on, because this is so comfortable that I went on and I'm like, I need to find another one of these. I love it so much. And so then this cute little tunic top was, what did I write down for this one? $6.99. $6.99. And you know what else? I also have an Amazon credit card. And we shop at Amazon so often that we get rewards each month. And I'm pretty sure I had close to $20 in rewards. So when I get those rewards dollars back, I go on to Vipon and then I get some of these things free, which is awesome. So even though this was $6.99, guess how much I paid for it? $0 because of my Amazon rewards. So that was awesome. And I only have one more thing in here. Is I got a wallet, and the wallet, let me look. Oh, this was the $8.04 purchase. $8.04. I'm sure it was in close to $20. It smells like leather, although I'd be shocked if it was real leather. I don't know if this is genuine leather anywhere in here, but you're going to see there's a lot of room. My wallet, I have so many cards, and I just need to organize it. And this has a new place that I can put my most popular cards, because I'm always searching for cards when I'm in the store. And ones that I don't use as frequently, I can stick in here. And my cash and change and things like that. And it comes with a cute little handle. So even though I have a big mom granny purse, even though I have, I don't call it a granny purse, Maura. They're called tote style. I have a large tote style purse. My husband always makes fun of me because since we had babies, well, since I got married, my purses were tiny. Then we had kids, I had like the giant diaper bag plus my purse. Then as time has gone on, it's slowly gotten a little bit smaller and a little bit smaller. So I've gotten it down to a tote size purse. But inside, I still have my big wallet. But if I just want to run into the store and I don't want to drag in my entire purse, ching, cute little wristlet, totally will have my cards in there. I might even be able to fit my cell phone in there. I'm pretty sure I could. So this was totally worth it. And plus my wallet is old and it smells. Does anyone else get mildewy smelling wallets? Mine smells like mildew and it's grossing me out. So that means it's time for a new one. So Vipon, get it. Get that app, shop, Amazon Prime type deals all year long. You don't have to just wait for these 2 days out of the year or wait for Black Friday. And you can jump on and get some really cheap things now. And I also want to mention, because even though this is a tip for like the whole year, not just Amazon Prime Day, I do want to make sure that you check out my post that has over 50 Amazon promo codes. And they're not from Vipon. They're from other Amazon sellers that just send me emails and say, hey, can you post these deals for me? And you know what? They're really good deals. And like my jaw was like, when I looked at how many people took advantage of those deals yesterday. And so I repeated yesterday's deals, and I added up like 24 more new ones. Maybe it was 28 new deals on my Amazon promo code list. And these deals are hard to find. It's not like you can just go to Amazon.com and do a little search and find these things. These are like stores that you would have to really dig deep for, and they might be on a, like these promo codes might be on a sales page in Amazon, but like you're gonna be lucky if you come across them. So these are very hard to find, but there was comforters that were bought yesterday, pillows, there's security cameras, there's shirts and dresses and USB cables and phone accessories. Like it was a big variety of items. So you may just jump on there and be like, ooh, totally want to snag that for 50% off, thank you very much. Or, ooh, totally want to snag that for 60% off, thank you very much. And let me know. Put a comment in this video too and tell me, what did you get off that list? Because today is supposed to be a fun deal shopping day. Just stay within budget. That's always my thing. I love deal shopping, but as long as I know that I can't overspend. I always like saying I've got 50, like if I have $50 in a fun money part of my budget, like how many things can I get for $50? That's kind of the fun thing that you can do with something like Vipon or with the promo codes that I put up a separate post on today. So check those out. I hope everyone is enjoying their summer. I'm super duper hot. We only have AC in our upstairs bedrooms for now because we're in upstate New York. So really there's like 6 days out of the year where it's brutally warm. And we have a pool. So we haven't gotten AC in our entire house. And we have a very cool family room in our basement. And cool, I mean temperature-wise, even though I like to think it looks cool because it's my little cabin family room. But temperature-wise, it's always cool down there. So we have AC, natural AC in the basement, AC upstairs, no AC on the main floor. I'm on the main floor right now. I'm in my dining room. It's hot. I'm going to go jump in the pool and I'm done with this. And then maybe I'll come back inside and see what other deals I can grab. And I hope you do the same. And I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Thanks a lot. Bye.